Welcome to the CoastalCraftFilAm channel. Today we're going to be unboxing a Christmas mug. It comes with a gift bag.
Cool.
And
Gift box.
I got two sets of these Christmas mugs, one in red and one in green. And it comes with, let's do it together. So it comes with a lid, a spoon, and the mug itself. Oh, there you go. Oh, that's yours, Naomi. Here's a mug. So cute.
So cute. It has a spoon.
So there's the mug.
Mug over here. It's a snowman.
And it comes with a snowman spoon,
Cover.
teaspoon, and the lid.
Cover.
You can put the thing inside of this. So you can drink your tea. You like it? It's a cat. I picked the cat. So keep the case. It's really nice. So, yes. So cute. So that is our unboxing for today, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.
Subscribe to our channel.
Bye.
Merry Christmas. Have a New Year. Merry Christmas. Have a New Year.